Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2020 Cayenne Turbo. Full, a lot of work on this. Full correction, full decon. I mean, this thing, it's white. It was real dirty. All the edges, everything had, excuse me, had to be cleaned out big time so we can get everything as clear as what we did. I mean, these things were just embedded with dirt. It was just awful. The fallout on it from road debris, brake dust staining from transportation over here to this country was still on the car from the dealer. The car has about 10,000 miles on it. The owner started noticing some rock chips. I'll show you one predominantly on a fender flare. It's plastic, so it got gouged. The fender flare pretty good, but it took a nice hit right in here. So without replacing it, just some touch-up paint is all he requested. But let's go over the car. We did a ceramic coating over the bra and cleaned it up real nice for him with a big decon, polishing, some correction to some scuffing minor, but the car was well taken care of. So here we go. Let's start up front here with the medallion. Just like always, this comes off. It's easy enough. And we come in here and wrap everything underneath. This goes back on with two 8mm speed nuts. And then the hood, nice and glossy, no damage under the film. Everything just looks fantastic. All these edges, all wrapped in. Every piece on this thing that can be wrapped, it gets wrapped. I'll show you an area, for example, where something didn't get wrapped because of probably not enough room more than anything. Even here, this piece pops right off. We wrapped underneath that pillar. So this is the passenger side A-pillar that runs all the way back, and it wraps on the back side all the way around, all the way on the inside. So that goes all the way on the inside to here. Let's see, where's that? There you go. So it goes all the way on the inside. So that entire A-pillar, fender, all the way around, all the way to this fender flare, and the fender flare all the way under. No lines on top. Where we have a challenge is getting in on this without taking these off. So the owner of this is okay with as tight as we got it. It's obviously in the lowered mode because this thing's sitting awfully low. Look at this. It's pretty crazy. It's a nice vehicle. That's the coupe. Most of you have already figured that out. So that's the new coupe where they chop off that rear end and lower that down. Great look. I think it was a great thing to do to this car. Let's continue through here. All our doors, all this coming under these moldings, still wrapping all the way under, wrapping all the way under, coming all the way around, all the way inside. Fuel door all the way around, coming around. We were able to get this in here, but not this side. There wasn't enough room. All the way, we were able to get it under the light. Coming around all here, all the way in, wrapped around the bottom. And much more of the same on that side. And that's about it. The tint was already on the car from Grapevine, Porsche over here in Grapevine, Texas. And we had the ceramic over the top to give it this look. And there it is, folks, the 2020 Cayenne Turbo. So looks great. XPEL Ultimate Plus was our film for this. Guys got any questions about the film, getting particular areas wrapped on your car, or just verifying what we're doing, give us a call. You can come down and visit anytime. So clearbrownorthdallas.com. You can get a hold of us there, or you can call us at 214-414-3809 extension 1. Thank you.